In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out eBay. Logging out is a simple but important habit, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. It helps protect your account, your saved payment methods, and your personal information. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, along with a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by making sure you're on the eBay homepage and that you're currently signed in. You'll know you're signed in if you see your name or a profile icon near the top right of the page. That area is where eBay keeps your account controls, messages, and saved items. Move your cursor to your name at the top right and hover over it. Don't click yet. Just let the mouse rest on your name. A small drop-down menu will appear after a moment. You should see options related to your account, such as your summary, messages, and settings. If hovering doesn't open the menu right away, try slowly moving off and back onto your name. If you're on a touch device or the menu still doesn't appear, a quick tap or click on your name usually opens the same drop-down. With the drop-down visible, look for the Sign Out option. It's typically at the bottom section of that menu. Click Sign Out. That's it. Your session ends immediately. eBay will take you back to the homepage or a sign-in screen, and you'll notice the top right now shows options like Sign In or Register instead of your name. That's the easiest way to confirm you've successfully logged out. If the page still looks like you're signed in, try refreshing your browser tab. Occasionally, another open eBay tab can hold on to the old session view, so closing other eBay tabs or giving the page a quick refresh clears that up. On mobile or tablet, the same idea applies. Tap your profile icon or your name to open the menu, then tap Sign Out. A quick security tip: if you're using a computer that other people can access, make sure you log out when you're done and close the browser window. And the next time you sign in, avoid selecting any option that keeps you signed in if you don't control that device. To recap, hover over your name at the top right to open the account menu, then click Sign Out. In just a couple of seconds, you've protected your account and wrapped up your session safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you log out of eBay with confidence every time.